People, we got hail. We have hail hitting the truck. I'm driving through tornado weather. This is unbelievable. I'm hearing banging on my truck, man. Bang, 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 bang. I'm right now in Otoka, Oklahoma. Hear it? Oh, this ain't good. We're in tornado. Wow, people. There ain't no shelter around here to take off to. See what truckers got to go through to bring you your diapers and your baby wipes and your tampons? Yep. There goes Johnny. No more Johnny. Bye-bye, Johnny. I don't want to hear his name no more. We're in a tornado.